Let G be a set of all 2 cross 2 matrices. Let G be a set of all 2 cross 2 matrices. 2 cross 2 non-singular matrices. Non-singular matrices over R, over the real number system, and plus be the matrix addition. Be matrix addition. Matrix addition. Show that G plus is an abelian group. An abelian group. The same set of all 2 cross 2 non-singular matrices over R. Let G be the set of all 2 cross 2 non-singular matrices. Over R and dot usual multiplication. The matrix multiplication. The matrix multiplication. Then G is an abelian group. Then G is an abelian. Next, note matrix addition matrix multiplication நம்ம சம் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அதோட காம்படிட்டிவ் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா தட் இஸ் abelian ஆயிடும். அதோட காம்படிட்டிவ் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிட்டா தட் இஸ் abelian. நோட் see some results. Note the identity of G is unique. The identity of G another identity of a group. The identity of a group G is unique. ஒரு குரூப்புக்கு ஒரு ஐடென்டிட்டி தான் இருக்க முடியும். Therefore, the identity is unique. Identity is unique. Then, for every or for any A belongs to G, the inverse is unique. For any A belongs to G, the inverse of A is unique. The inverse of A is unique. Which is in G. Which is in G. Next 3. A group is a monoid. A group is a monoid. A group is a monoid, but a semi-group, and a semi-group. A group is a monoid and a semi-group, but But semi-group are monoid. A semi-group are a monoid is not a group. Is not a group. Is not a group. Next, Q star is a monoid. Q dot is a monoid. The rational system under the operation usual multiplication is a monoid. Is a monoid, but not a group. But not a group. But not a group. For 0 belongs to Q does not have an inverse. 0 belongs to Q does not have an inverse. Does not have inverse in Q. Next, fifth one. Composition of functions is not a commutative. In general, composition of functions. Composition of functions is not a commutative. Is not a commutative. Next, sixth one, let G be a group, then A belongs to A comma B belongs to G. A comma B belongs to G. A inverse or whole inverse belongs to, that is equal to A. Second one, A star B whole inverse equal to B inverse star A inverse. A inverse star A inverse. Next, subgroups and cyclic groups. Subgroups and cyclic groups. Subgroups and cyclic groups. Subgroups and subgroups. A non-empty subset. A non-empty subset H of G is said to be is said to be a subgroup of G. Subgroup of G if X itself, if X itself is a group, X itself is a group under the binary operation, defined on G, under the binary operation defined on G, same binary operation. G la என்ன binary operation யூஸ் பண்றோம் அதே binary operation X ல யூஸ் பண்ணோம். For example, Z plus is a subgroup of Z plus is a subgroup of R plus then second one 1 comma minus 1 I comma minus I is a subgroup of C minus 0 with respect to multiplication of complex numbers. Multiplication of complex numbers. Multiplication of complex numbers. There are two types of subgroups. That's right. There is a proper and improper subgroups. The set with the identity element and the whole set G are trivial subgroups. Both the first one. Later, G star be a group. First one, the simpleton set E under the operation star and the set G under the set itself is called trivial subgroups. Are improper subgroups. Trivial subgroups are improper subgroups. Trivial subgroups are improper subgroups. So proper subset நமக்கு proper subgroups தரும். All the other subgroups, all the other subgroups of G are called proper subgroups. All other subgroups of G are called proper of subgroups. Next, a non-empty subset of subset H of group G. A non-empty subset H of group G. Of group G is a subgroup of is a subgroup of the non-empty subset of group G is a subgroup of G star with condition. The non-empty subset of subset H of group if and only if non-empty subset of subset H of group G is a subgroup of G if and only if A comma B belongs to G and also it belongs to H, which implies A star B inverse. B inverse belongs to H. Then we have three more results. H and K, that is intersection of subsets subgroups if H and K are two subgroups of G, then H intersection K is also a subgroup. Is also a subgroup of G under the operation defined. Under the operation defined. The intersection of subgroups from the subgroups, but what about the union of subgroups? அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா union of subgroups வந்து சப்குரூப்பா இருக்காது. அப்படி சப்குரூப்பா இருந்தா the subgroups have common the subgroups have equal elements ன்னு சொல்றோம். எப்படி அப்படின்னா H union K need not be a subgroup of G. Okay. Next condition H union K is a subgroup of if H union K is a subgroup of G, then H and K have common the elements contained in one another. Other H and K have same elements or equal set have same elements. Have same elements. otherwise that is H is contained in K or K is H is contained in K is contained in H. Then H is contained in K or K is contained in H. Same amount of equal set ஆயிடும். So ஒரு செட் இன்னொரு செட்டுக்குள்ள இருக்கணும். இருந்தாதான் யூனியன் ஆஃப் சப்குரூப்ஸ் சப்குரூப்ஸ் ஆகும். H is contained in the symbol. Next order of an element. Order of an element. Order of an element. Let G, star be a group and A belongs to G. The least positive A belongs to G. The least positive integer. The least positive integer M such that least positive integer M if it exists such that A power M is equal to E is called A power M is equal to E is called order of A. Order of A and written as order of A is equal to M. Order of A is equal to M. चलो சொல்லணுமா? எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லணுமா? அதுக்கு